What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the circle outline animation like this. And to create this animation, it is enough to create it with the Canva. How to create this one, it is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do, you can open this canva.com, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And after that, you can start to click this video and choose the blank page or the project, and for example I will choose it to be landscape like this. And after that, it will direct you into this new tab as your blank project. And after that, you can start to create the circle. However, the way it's gonna be a little bit different. You will start it from this text and click this add a text box, and here you can start to put the underline in a section. For example, this one, underline as much as you can like this. And after that, I will start to select all, and I will thicken it or create it into the bold like this. And after that, you can start to click this effect and scroll down. You will find this curve, and if you find it's too big, don't worry, because you can still minimize it until it is visible into the screen. And after that, I will also adjust the curve, let's say to be fully circle like this. And after that, I will start to maximize the size to get the detail or look. Okay, and after that, you can keep this circle being selected. And after that, I will go to this animate, and after that, you can start to play with the animation over here. And to create this, it's kind of the radial animation. Here I will choose the typewriter, click it, and don't worry because you can also adjust the speed like this. And after that, you can start to do the experiment too if you want. For example, choose this wipe, which one do you prefer, or if you would like to knit this or create the animation like the previous animation, don't worry, so you can still go with this typewriter. And you can also do the experiment. For example, the animate gonna be on center or on exit. Okay, it's gonna be ended. And finally, this is the animation we got now. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial into your Canva application or account. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.